I just want to encourage someone today. Nabasa ko to, sabi, the joy is the serious business of heaven, sabi ni C.S. Lewis. So, kung titingnan mo, let's start with the question, kung meron kang joy the rest of your life, i-choose mo ba yun? Because sometimes parang it seems crazy kung joy lahat, no? Yung nasa puso mo. But that is actually possible. Having joy is a choice more than we think. Kasi maraming tao nagsasabi, joy and happiness are not the same thing. And I agree. I agree to that. Pero sabi nga niya dito, no, when you think of Jesus, do you think He was joyful but not happy? Hindi siguro. Kasi dito sa verse na to, sabi niya sa Hebrews chapter 12 verse 2, I was imagining and thinking that Jesus is smiling while this is being said. No? Sabi niya, looking to Jesus, the founder and perfecter of our faith, who for the joy that was set before him endured the cross, despising the shame, and is seated at the right hand of the throne of God. For the joy that was set before him, he went to the cross for you and me. But something na hindi natin nare-realize is that nung in-endure niya yung cross for our sin and rebellion, I also believe na He endured the cross kasi we could experience heavenly joy in this life. Yun yung kailangan nating maintindihan right now. I'm not saying na wala ng hard things. I'm not saying na wala ng challenges or we don't call any godly grief or tears or healing. But because definitely meron pa rin. But when you get to know Christ better and better sa buhay natin, He provides yung inexpressible joy. Kaya dun mo talaga makikita na hindi magfe-fade yung feelings or hindi magfa-fluctuate yung emotions, but you will know that during those hard days or hard nights, meron kang Jesus that will comfort you, and that brings joy and hope in your life. God bless you.